So next up, let's display them under here, the code we generate. We should see here live. So how we are going to do that? I will come down here. As you know, this is our gradient component. So the Jumbotron here, and it should finish here. Now I will come here and open a container. Inside the container we can display our code. For now I will just write an h3 here, and for the h3 we will not have any class, so you can write it your code here for now, and then we can display the code we have generated from there in this pre-tag. If you want to display any code in the same way as it is, you can put it in the pre-tag. For example, we are going to see the background gradient. So what I'm going to do is just copy it and paste it here. Now you have your background gradient here. Let me just put it in one line. You have the direction. For now we just put it the same way, but the color, you can write the color here. So this one should be this dot color 1, and this one should be the color 2 here, this dot color 2, and I'll save it. Let's see if it is working the way we want. And this one also should be in the same directory here. As you can see, it is just fine. We remove the extra codes. The direction should be the same. Let's see if it works, and we will put the direction as well. So if I come here and see, you can see the code, the direction, everything is being displayed here. It is in the nil line. If I refresh it, now it should display in the same line. Actually we don't have a separate line here, but it is here. We will customize it a bit more. So for now, if I just change the color from here, as you can see, the color there also change in the same way here. Next thing, as you can see, both of them are appearing from the left side, and I'll just change it from here. So if I come here, this one should be from the second color should be from the right, as well as the color of the text should be, as you can see, it is not visible for you, the color of this one should be white. So I'll come here again, I'll say we have Jumbotron content, and inside this one we have an input, and all the input should have the color of white. If I save it, this time it should change the input to white, and it is better a little. As you can see, this one is also now working. So if I change the color, it will just change, will be affected there as well as here. Now you can copy this code and put it there, but the problem is that we have the direction. Where it should show the direction, as you saw in the demo, it has direction. So we will put the directions above here, and we will display them here. So that is what we are going to do in the next video.